Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to make something special. As you can see, we finally
organized all the trains.
So they look good, and all the sheds and the bridge and so on. And to make it special, we got a special box, and it is a surprise box that we have in here that we're going to keep it on the table to help us to build up our railway. Let's get started. Whoa, must be heavy. Let's see what do we have inside. That is a surprise. As we said, that we got special surprise in this box to show you. So let's see. Oh. Yeah. Is there anything else in the box? Let's make sure. Now it's empty. So as you can see in here, we got our special YouTube box briefcase, where it's going to stay in the middle of the railway to help us to build up the train. So that was the surprise that we want to show you. So let's see what else do we have. Okay, what else do we want on our railway? I think we could incorporate our subway tunnels. What do you think?
Put all 6 of them.
With the
All
6 of them. Okay, we can keep it all 6 of them. That will be cool. That will be super cool. Awesome, we got 6 of them. Awesome, we got 6 stations or 6 subway tunnels ready. Excellent, so now we are going to choose what we want on our railway.
We'll put the metro first.
The metro, super cool. We got the white and the red metro.
Look, this is the A metro and this is the B and M metro.
Oh, super cool, underground metro.
Yeah, so first we will put this.
Awesome. And the coolest thing is that they have a light. Okay, what else do we need?
Coco and Wilson from Chuggington.
Chuggington team, super cool. They are awesome.
Yeah, so Coco is green and Wilson is red. Oh dear. Perfect. And now we will have Thomas. And now we're going to have Thomas and Percy.
Awesome.
Yep. So where should they go? And the last one.
You choose. Oh,
what about this?
Super cool. We're gonna use the spiral.
Yep.
Yay!
The spiral railway.
So we don't know. As you can see, we don't know yet how we're going to put all of this together, but it's going to be fun. Wait to see. I think we are going to love those wonderful railway.
Oh yeah.
The colorful.
How many do we need?
We take as much as we want.
I think we need 18.
Do you think so? To make it a spiral? Oh, maybe I will need your help. I'm glad I got good help in here.
Thank you.
I'm glad we are a good team.
Yeah.
What else can we choose to put on this? Oh yeah, of course. We should get the stations. What do you think? You know what I really love is this station. What about if we put this station, underground station?
Yeah. I love it too.
And
it's from Big Jigs.
Amazing. Yeah, we can mix it up
and
with...
it looks very realistic.
And what about if we mix it up with the Brio stations? Okay, let's take 2 stations. I think they're gonna make a perfect fit. But now we have the table almost full. I think it's better if we start building it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started. What else do we need to make a combination?
20 little tons.
20? Okay, I think those one will be enough. Super
How
cool.
many do